Hi Rainer, I'm outside the house. It's Friday the 14th, about 1:17 p.m. I'm trying to help you with this gate. I'm not sure who was working on this, but there are some things that I've been able to observe right away that are definitely going to allow us to not have the gate work. First thing is the polarity of the power supply. So here is the power supply. I'm not sure if you can see, but this has a plus sign and this has a negative sign. The negative wire with the inscription on the cable, so the wire with the inscription is connected to negative. And if we see here, we can see that the wire with the inscription or the labeling, the engraving, is connected to positive. And I've also verified that with this digital multimeter that the leads are changed. So with this thing being powered up and you're having direct current out of that transformer into that chipset, it's possible that the chipset is broken. Now I'm willing to help you with this. This is far outside our scope of work, but I am willing to help you. I need some sort of approval from you to move forward, because if I remove those cables, I'm now working on that chipset. Now I just want to make sure that you understand that there's a possibility that it's already broken because the polarity has been energizing the board incorrectly, which could cause damage to the board. I won't know that until we reverse the polarity, install that correctly, and then start to move forward. The other things I see is the installation is not complete. I'm assuming that these are battery terminals that are not connected. As I follow the wire back, it does go to a battery port on the board. I don't have any instructions. I don't know the model numbers. I don't have a manual to this, so I'm just making some educated guesses with my experience. I can see that these wires that are not connected, as I have followed them back and spent some time doing that, I assume these are the motor on the west side of the gate. And I assume further that they go connected to this Phoenix connector here. So if we get this thing to turn on, these wires will have to be connected there. These are the wires that we did connect, so we moved them from the old chipset. I'm not sure what happened to this. I assume it was defective and therefore someone needed to change it. But these are the control wires that go to our system. And this is just a simple relay board. Once our control system is told to open or close the gate, these two contacts close. This chipset does the rest of the work. So our integration into this is rather simple, and all that work was already done about over a year ago. So if this was working by connecting these wires here, our system will continue to work. So I know you've asked me for some help, and I'm willing to do so. I need more communication from you, giving me the permission to move forward to try to dabble in this, where you understand this is not a part of what we do, but I'm willing to help. So please inform me of how you want me to move forward.